And we're back. Welcome to What's in My Kit. So today I am going to be going over all of my hot styling items. Dun, dun, dun. So I do have a lot of them. I also, remember, I do need at least 3 sets. I need one for my home because you never know when someone wants to come over and get their hair done. I have one for the trailer. I have one for a stage. And then I have extra because that's just me. So I'm just going to go through what I have in my kit, and sometimes I have doubles, triples, quadruples. I do love my Marcel irons by Hot Tools. Look, it even comes with hair. This are my go-to. I have 2 sets of them. They go everywhere. So they are the Marcel irons. They are not spring-loaded. I do have some springs. Don't worry, you're not alone. But once you get to master hair with these are pivotal. So we have the 1/2 inch and we have the inch, and they're my favorite. Thanks, Hot Tools. Also with Hot Tools, I do have their spring-loaded big 2-incher. This is just to give a little bit of movement to the hair. I do like to have it in there if I just want to bump the ends without pulling out my blow dryer. Good little trick. My next favorite is my Roscoe pointy flat iron. I don't know where to get them, guys. I know everybody wants them, but this is in my kit. It can get right in there. It is so nice and pointy. You can come in and get those little hairs, especially on a wig, those turnarounds. You can come in and just zap them. It is my favorite. It's great. I love it. It's my favorite. Nobody touches it. And then I do have my favorite Hot Tools flat iron. One swipe, smooths it all out. Be careful on your bending if you are bending hair over. It is so hot, it will keep that bend in until forever. So Hot Tools, once again, knocking it out of the park. My T3 wand. She has been through so many things with me. I think she's discontinued, or she's just very hard to find. They did come out with a new one with the interchangeable heads, which I love as well. Also a curling iron I love as well. So maybe I'll do a comparison one on another episode. And then these, when I tell you these save my life on set, these are battery charged flat iron and curling iron. I have 2 sets. I buy them for almost every key and hair person that I work with. I give them away. They're great gifts. They weren't really great for the market, oh, I'm gonna go style my hair. But on set, you get a half-hour hot. You can literally go in and do your touch-ups. These are absolutely great. They're not the rechargeable, which is even better. They're not the butane ones where you have to try to think it's lit and it's not, and then it goes out. So these are my go-to. A little trick: if it's really cold outside, you can actually hold this and it will get warm enough just to keep your hands warm. And because I do hair, I have no palms, so it's my favorite. My next tried and true Chi. When I tell you, she's been through everything with me. This one is older than a lot of people in the world right now. So I became a little fanatic with rhinestones, but this is you normally use a cheap blow dryer. Some people don't think they're powerful enough. I don't think we need the power. They do get extremely hot, and this is my tried and true. I have like 3 different ones of them. And then I have for when I'm on set and we have issues. So I keep in my set bag our small little handy one, our little blow dryer, just in case hair gets wet, it's raining outside, something happens. This is my little go-to, and it's really compact, just like this. This is my essential kit. This is my essential on-set kit stuff right here. These are them. And then one of my next favorites for when you need to add volume, for someone who has really fine, thin hair, or just thin, or you just need more volume in hair. Bedhead TG, their little crimper, their texturizer, I'm in love with it. I know there's a couple more on the market, but for the price point and for what I do it for, this is really hands down the best. I have 5 of them. Welcome to my life.
You want to stop it?
Hmm?